changamoto ambayo ningependa maafisa ningependa kuwa
baraza ya kuleta pamoja
and coordination of national government.
Yes, this is nostalgic for me.
At least we took them for training.
You prioritize.
We are going to get into another agenda of the
baadaye ameelezea na ataelezea tuliwapatia lengo ya kwamba mpaka yetu kuhakikisha ya kwamba tunahusisha.
Hapa wanaandika kwa gazeti ati Murkomen is encouraging corruption by saying support police officers mwekee mafuta kwa gari zao. Kwani hiyo ni story? Nikawa some of these watu wanaandika magazeti, they have never interacted with police officers. Is it news that mafuta ya police for the longest inaisha before the end of the month? It's public knowledge. I have given our police officers opportunity to express these issues openly, to say it to the public for people to understand, so that they understand that mafuta under the leasing program ends before the end of the month. And I have not also just spoken. We have agreed with Treasury that the allocation per month should move from 450 at least to 650 to start with, to assist our police officers to sort the bill.